name's Ian Parry. I've got multiple sclerosis, which affects my mobility primarily, as well as other things. I work for Cartrefi Cymru. They're a company that supports people with learning disabilities. I am a finance administrator, and basically that involves invoicing different companies and people for support given and services, and dealing with the finances of the company, and also bank accounts of our different service users. I use alarms which I can set off if I fall in the car park, and I've also got one alarm which is it goes off automatically if it's not upright. So if I do fall, this alarm will sound and will ring different phone numbers to make people aware that I need assistance. And basically it gives me the confidence to come to work. I'm not afraid of falling over in the car park, as I have done previously, and I was just stuck on the floor waiting for somebody to notice me and help me up. This way I know that there's going to be help at hand if I need it, which gives me the confidence to come to work, and basically allows me to